Hello everyone, welcome. Today we're going to be going over the pre-trip inspection for the bus. Now, the information that I'm going to be going over with you for the inspection is material to help you in your studies for the pre-trip inspection. The pre-trip inspection is the first test that you're going to be taking at the DMV. And it's very important that you pass that first pre-trip inspection in order to do your skills and also the road portion of your exam. The pre-trip inspection is very important because there is a lot of material to study, and the way that you study that material is not only by watching the videos, it's also by trying to comprehend the information by writing it down or trying to explain the information that you have been taught to somebody else. That shows personal understanding. So you want to make sure that you take these videos and use it in your studies to your advantage. Now, there is a saying that I like to give this saying to my students. You can lead a horse to water, but you cannot make it drink. So I can give you the information that you need to help you pass the exam, but I cannot pass the exam for you. So you need to make sure that you meet the instructors halfway by studying the material, so that way on that first day of class, we're able to match the name of the part that you have been studying to the actual piece itself. So that way it assists you in your studies, so everything goes by a little bit faster. Okay, so without further ado, let's step inside the vehicle.